Hey guys, welcome back to Math with Marilyn. As usual, before we get started, make sure you have a pencil and some paper so you can take notes as you follow along. So today's topic is finding angle measurements. And I've had a first video on this, and so this is kind of an extension of that. One thing from that video that you need to recall is that the three angles that make up a triangle should all add up to equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to use that information in order to find the missing angles in this example. So to begin, I'm going to take each one of my angles and add them together and put them equal to 180. Again, my theorem says that each angle in a triangle, all three together, must add up to equal 180 degrees. All right, so I have my equation set up, have all of my angles added together, set equal to 180. Now you're going to need to combine your like terms. In this case, my like terms obviously are my x and x. Remember that if you don't have a coefficient in front of your x, it's automatically 1. And you can go ahead and put it there as a reminder. So 1x plus 2x, 1x plus 1x simplifies to 2x. And then add your 59 plus your 51 plus your 84. And I'm cheating a little bit because I've already done that math. That'll give me plus 194. And again, all of that is going to equal 180. Hopefully you realize now that I've set this up that you're simply setting up a linear equation, and then you just follow the steps for solving linear equations. And the goal in that case is to isolate the variable. So we need to get x by itself. So next I'm going to subtract my 194 from both sides of the equal sign. We have to do the inverse of plus 194, which is why I did minus 194. So that cancels. I'm going to bring down my 2x, and that will equal negative 14. My last step is to divide both sides by 2, which gives me x equal to negative 7. So we're almost done because they're asking us to find the actual measurement of angle A. All we found is what x equals. So now you have to take it a step further and go ahead and plug your value for x into the angle. So now instead of this being x plus 51, it'll be negative 7 plus 51. And negative 7 plus 51 is 44. So your final answer is that the measurement of angle A is 44. Again, just to recap really quickly, to find the measurements of angles in a triangle, you need to remember that all three angles must add up to 180 degrees. So in order to help you find a missing part or a missing angle, you add them up as I've done here and set them equal to 180 and then solve. In this case, we had to solve for x first and then go back and substitute our value in for x as I've done here. And our final answer was the measurement of angle A is 44. Put my little dot there. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. Make sure to turn your notification on and share. And lastly, subscribe to my channel, Math with Marilyn. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you next time.